It's a beautiful day. Find a way. Oh, what a day. You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on, Macau. Come on, Macau. Go, go, go. I gotta go. Oh, go, go, go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Okay, we're going to be filming Broadway Food Street. So this is directly down this way. Before we go down, this is kind of what we're looking at. And then there's also a waterfront over here. I don't know if I'm going to film that. I'll film it from a different direction though. And then we have some Ufufu Cafe. And then that's where the casinos are at. So there's Galaxy Casino straight over that way. But I'm going to be focusing on this food street. But I'm just kind of letting you know what's all around here. So let's check out this one, and we're gonna walk down the main street after we get out of here too, so you can see more of this new stuff that's coming on, that's being built in this area. So stay tuned. Okay, we got another one of Macau for you up on the map. This is called Broadway Food Street. It's part of the Galaxy Casino, but it's outside. And we're actually gonna start by going down the Broadway Food Street, and then we're gonna go along the main road that goes down kind of north towards into along the Galaxy Casino, but on the other side near the waterfront. So we're going to follow that and kind of see what some of the stores are, see a whole couple hotels that are there, and we're going to go around the corner, and then we're going to look back on that little side of Macau. And it's all up on the map so you can see exactly where it is. You got some music, lyrics of the music is already coming down, and let's get right into it so you can see it as if you were there yourself. Okay, let's explore Broadway Food Street. So we're going to start here, Pasolaria. They do have all these kind of K-pop things popping up everywhere here. They're trying to promote more K-pop, so that's kind of what that's all about. So let me just kind of see. So we're gonna continue onward. Let's just kind of stroll through here. So we'll show you some of the restaurants and such. Noodles. And we also have some vendors too. So have lots of different types of stuff. This looks like AI kind of stuff. Let's take a look at this real quick. Okay, looks like looks kind of like, it's kind of cool. I don't know if those are portraits of K-pop stars or if those are actual people who are visiting and they put their image in AI. I don't know. Looks like AI-ish. Anyways, some restaurants, Old Village Cafe, Platinum 1982, Cheers. Okay, we got Lemon. We'll kind of give you an idea of what it all looks like. And I kind of want to get to this other street all the way down, so if I'm not focusing too much, it's because I'm a little bit familiar with everything somewhat already. And I want to see, if you can see straight ahead, there's this tall building straight ahead. There's a lot of new stuff that's being built recently. There's a little mascot, little cow mascot. And so I'm a little bit interested to go past this Broadway Macau sign and see all these new businesses that are being built over there. There's also these villas over there. I'm going to talk about that as well in a few minutes. Let's kind of keep on strolling. Hello. We're gonna keep on showing you. Here's, it's like a dog park, pet play zone, Broadway Food Street. So I'm gonna talk about those villas in a minute, but those villas are expensive. Those are like private homes. Goa Nights is up to the right here. There's also DC Cafe, so there's a Filipino cuisine and an Goa India cuisine. And I've been wanting to come in here again. I'll come over here another time. But that cuisine is amazing. But we're gonna navigate. There's more K-pop stuff. I think there's regular events these days with K-pop related things. I think this is another one of those K-pop ones. NCT. Riku. Okay, so we're gonna keep on strolling through. Blues Bikes, this is Roadhouse Casino, Roadhouse Macau. And then we also have this Broadway Food Street sign over here, Macau. We're gonna cruise all the way through. Hello. Looks good. Later. Oh, happy hours now? 4 to 6.
Yes.
Oh, okay. 5 to 6.
Yeah. Buy one, get one.
Oh, sounds good. Thank you. Okay, let's keep on going. So we're gonna cruise through here. Here's a Chill House. This used to be an Irish cafe, but now it's changed. Now it's here's the Roadhouse again. Let me just. They got live music in here, and lots of Western cuisine as well. Roadhouse Macau, fajitas, ground beef tacos. And then over here you got Chill. This used to be called used to be an Irish pub that was connected with Roadhouse. Okay, we're gonna walk around the corner because I kind of want to show you. I also want to see for myself what's down the street. There's a parking garage right here, but we're gonna go around like that. But here, Broadway Food Street. There's a little connection there that goes to there's Broadway. You can see the sign up there. Then you can see Galaxy Casino there. And so I'm gonna pop up over there, and then we're gonna walk down the street. It's all changing quite a bit, so stay tuned. Okay, so we just went around the parking garage, and then now I'm gonna show you the all these businesses over here. And then down that way, that goes all the way down to the waterfront, and there's all these villas down there, but I want to walk past all these stores. But that's kind of the villas are I don't know how much they must cost. Just they're really beautiful little places that are I can't even imagine what the price would be. It's like $1 billion. I don't know. That can't be $1 billion, but it's got to be like $100 million. Apartment, a small tiny little condo in Macau can be like $1 million American dollars already. So a villa next to the casinos, it's gotta be like 100 million probably. Anyways, Moon Pizza. There's a ramen shop, a pizza shop. Here's a little Atmosphere Macau. Gonna just see what all these are. There's a cigar shop. So they were all like this empty one right here for quite a while, and now they're building up quite a few small businesses. I think they mostly cater to the mainland Chinese tourists predominantly. You can see Motai, which is a pharmacy, which is kind of typical, but there's also some interesting stuff like that. Looks like this is a I don't, looks like a Thai massage maybe, or Thai or yoga. Beef intestines, more whiskey, and then we have this convenience store that looks Let me see. It's like a convenience store. Looks like something you'd see in China. And then we're gonna move. There's a hotel over this way. And then we can see all the villas over that way. So we're not allowed to go into that space at all, but we can walk. There's more down that way that I was also thinking of seeing. And there's also a hotel right here. Let me turn the camera off and then we're gonna pop up over there. This is new, by the way. This connects to Galaxy. Used to be a lot of people running across the street right here, which is very dangerous. But now they have a way to get across to connect from this hotel and this waterfront. And these places here, these are condos and apartments. That's the hotel right there, Posada Marina Infant. And we're gonna go over by the KK. I'll turn the camera back on and then we're gonna go around to the waterfront. Okay, so now we jumped up a little bit and we're at this KK Supermart, which I guess opens up at nighttime, because at nighttime I'll see it all lit up. But we're gonna be walking over there shortly. Oh, it's open, it's open. It's just all lit up at night, so we're gonna see what else is here. You can see Taipa, there's Galaxy over there. It's kind of where we're coming from. And we're going to be walking past more of these stores just to see what's there, another multi shop. And we're going to go around the corner to the waterfront. And it looks like right here we're not seeing a whole lot of anything that interesting. So I'm going to go around the corner and then turn the camera back on again. Here's the name of it, Yoho Kotai Marina Bay. And then around the corner you're going to see the marina that they're building for the yachts. Maybe that's Taipa Central right there. Okay, let's go around the corner. Okay, around the corner. There we go. Now you can see financial district of Hengqin across the way. That skyline that's over there is actually Hengqin. We're on Macau, Taipa Macau side. And this is all changing quite a bit. It's going to be more, I'll explain it all in a moment. Here's some of these villas right here. But this whole area is going to be an area for yachts. So it's going to be between here and Hengqin, I believe. I think that's the ultimate future. And then the yachts can park themselves right in this space right here. You can see some of the docks already. And then yeah, so we started way down there at Broadway. But this is kind of where these yachts are going to be at. Okay. Here we go. Pretty cool. Now you got another slice of Macau there.
You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, go, go.